Finally, I have the brand new Canon EOS R6 Mark III. But the big question is it really worth upgrading from R6 Mark II? Let's do a quick unboxing and straight specs comparison, no hype, and let's go. Inside the box, very familiar Canon experience. You have the camera body, battery, charger, strap, and manuals. Nothing crazy here. Canon keeps it simple. Now, let's talk about the camera itself. This is the Canon R6 Mark III. First impression, solid, premium, and very similar to the R6 Mark II in hand. If you already own the Canon R6 Mark II, the body design will feel instantly familiar. Buttons are almost the same place, grip feels comfortable, fully articulated screen, and weather-sealed body. Canon didn't reinvent the wheel here, they refined it. Both cameras use a full-frame sensor. The R6 Mark III has a high resolution compared to the R6 Mark II, which give you more flexibility for cropping and detail. For everyday photography, both are excellent, but the Mark III gives you a bit more room to play. Both cameras use Canon's dual pixel CMOS AF2, which already one of the best in the market. On the R6 Mark III, subject tracking feels more confident, especially for people and moving subject. If you shoot vlogs, portrait, or action, autofocus is a win on both. But the Mark III feels more refined. For the memory cards, big difference here. The R6 Mark II uses dual SD cards, which is affordable and convenient. The R6 Mark III adds CF Express support, which means faster write speed and better performance for high bitrate video burst mode shooting. Most expensive cards but better performance. This is where things get interested for creators. The R6 Mark II already does excellent 4K video, but the R6 Mark III pushes turns further higher quality videos option, better processing, and improved heat management. If you're a hybrid shooter or serious video creator, this is where the Mark III makes more sense. For the battery and stabilization, both cameras use the same battery, so no need to buy new ones. In-body stabilization is excellent on both handheld shots and should you upgrade? So here's my honest take. If you already own the Canon R6 Mark II and you mostly shoot photos, you're still totally good. But if you are into video, faster performance, and future-proof specs, the R6 Mark III is the better long-term camera. Next videos coming soon, low light test, gimbal test, and real world vlog test. Comment below for the R6 Mark III or the R6 Mark II. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is RPHY SAMSTILL and see you in the next one.